Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Mursheda Rahman. Today I want to discuss a topic which is very popular and almost familiar to all of us. But we will learn about the engineering terminology of this topic. Let's see a small video. I think from this video we can easily guess what will be the topic. Let's see. Can anyone guess what is the topic? Of today? Yes, the topic is transportation engineering. I think it is very popular topic to all of us, but we don't know from the engineering point of view. So today I will try to learn something about from the engineering point of view. Let's start. These are the contents of my topic. Firstly, the definition and then objectives and then traffic engineering tools. Now, what is transportation engineering? As a normal people, I can say that transportation means traffic or travel or anything like that. But from the engineering point of view, it is the science of measuring traffic and travel, study of basic laws related to traffic flow and generation, application of this knowledge to planning, designing, operating traffic systems to achieve a safe, efficient, and convenient movement of persons and goods, not only the traffic. So the objectives are to improve the overall roadway capacity, to ensure safety. This is the, I want to highlight this point. As engineer, we must have to consider about the safety of the labor of or the pedestrian or the drivers or the road users. But as I'm not, I'm a normal person, we don't think about the safety. To minimize, of course, we have to minimize the vehicle or vehicle pedestrian conflict, and then to make an economic use of the existing roadway facilities, and must think about the road users also, not only the traffic. These are the traffic engineering tools. Firstly, we will focus on the physical measures. I think this picture is very much popular to all of us. These are the traffic signs like stop sign or give a sign or the speed limit sign, etc. And the second figure shows a divider. It's also very popular. And the third figure is channelization. And the last figure is the island. These three items are almost have the same uses, but there have some differences. As a normal person, we don't know, but as an engineer, we should have to know about the differences. What are the differences? If I focus on the first picture, this picture tells us that people cannot cross or pass. And if I focus on the second picture, this picture tells us that no signal is needed for vehicle turning maneuver. It means that if a vehicle wants to take right turn or left turn, then no signal is needed. They can easily take their maneuver And pedestrian also can cross, but it's very much risky for the pedestrian because there is no space for weight. But in the third case, this is the island, which gives space for people to wait here. Like people can cross there and then wait here and then see around and then again cross the next path. So these three items have a major differences. But as a normal public, we don't know about these things. We all, everybody will tell these are the divider, but no, these have a big difference between these three. Now there are more pictures on pictures like these are the underpass and these are the overpass. But in general term, these are called the grade separation. Grade separation means we separate the grade. Like this is our at grade road, and we separate the road. We separate the road by creating a grade. By making this road in two layer to improve the roadway capacity. Similar in this picture also, this is the undergrade. This is another term which is exclusive turning lane. Exclusive turning lane is a special lane. This is very much uncommon in our country, but very much popular in other foreign countries. And here the main purpose of this lane is that this road has two lanes but an extra lane which is called as the turning lane. If one car wants to go to right side, then they can go this lane and use this lane for taking right turn, and if the car wants to go straight, then they can go straight. They don't need to use the lane. Now, if I come to this picture, this is slip road. This road is also known to all of us as a connector road, but the engineering term is slip road. Now, what is the slip road? If I give an example, then it will be easy to understand. Like I want to go from Dhaka to Chittagong. Like this is my road from Dhaka to Chittagong, and the highway road. No, but in the meanwhile, I also want to visit Kumilla. How can I go to Kumilla? There must be connecting road, but if the connecting road is like this way, like there is if I say this area is Kumilla, then people will come here and then use this road, slip road, and then easy smoothly connect with the main highway without interrupting the thorough traffic. Then it will be very easier, and I think if we use slip road, then then the percentage of traffic conflict or congestion will be reduced. Now this is another term which is bus lay-by. Bus lay-by, what is bus lay-by? But we all everybody will know about the bus stop, right? Here this picture shows the bus lay-by, and another name is bus stop. Bus will come here and then stop there, and passenger will ride on the bus. But the engineering term is bus lay-by. All of these pictures or the tools are used to control vehicular movement, but they cannot control pedestrian or other movement. So to control the other movements, there are some other tools like the on-street parking, off-street parking, loading or unloading freight vehicles, etc. Now, what is on-street parking? On-street parking, it is the parking where the car can park on the road, but not on the main lane. They can park on the curb side of the road. And in case of off-street parking, there is a space occupied for a building or an apartment or a business administration where people can park their car for a long time without interrupting the main road or the main traffic. And the loading or unloading vehicle, this also very much familiar to our country, but there is no system for them. But in other countries there is a system. They can park their car for a little time, which time they will be given from the authority in the as a sign on the road, and loading or unloading time will be fixed for them. So there will be no conflict between the pedestrian or the road users with the loading vehicles. These tools are used to control standing vehicles. Now these are another tools like guardrail. This is the guardrail. In another term, we can use this as a railing, but the engineering term is guardrail. If a road has guardrail on both sides, then people cannot cross the road without a crossing. And this is crosswalk, which is very much familiar to us. And this is the sidewalk. I'm sorry. This is the sidewalk, or and the name is footpath, which is used for the pedestrian and cyclist only. These tools are used to control pedestrian movement. So from these pictures, we can know that which tools are used for vehicular control, which tools are used for pedestrian control, etc. Now, in the above pictures, we know about the physical measures. Now we know about the regulatory measures. Regulatory means law. So we can also control the traffic by implementing law on that road, like banning the right turn, one-way operation, speed control, road pricing, which is also told as toll plaza, or parking control. These tools are used to control traffic by using law or by implementing law. In summary, I can tell that from this topic, we know about the engineering terminology of some general term, and we also must have to think about the traffic as an engineer, not only not the traffic only, but also the road users and vehicles. I hope this video will help to understand the simple term in transportation engineering very easily or very clearly. Thanks to all for watching this video.